Hi guys, in this video we talk about Samsung S24 Plus versus OnePlus 12. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $999. The OnePlus 12 launched on December 2023 with a price tag of $1,099. The body dimensions: Samsung S24 Plus height 6.24 inches, width 2.99 inches, thickness 7.7 mm. The OnePlus 12 dimensions: height 6.43 inches, width 2.98 inches, thickness 9.2 mm. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus weight 196 gram and the OnePlus 12 220 gram. The build: the both device come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and the both device come with dual SIM and nano SIM card support. The display type: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x 16mm color screen type and the OnePlus 12 LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size 6.7 inches, Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus and the OnePlus 12 6.82 inches, and the both devices come with 2K screen resolution. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 513 ppi density. The OnePlus 12 comes with 510 ppi density. The refresh rate is same in both devices, 120Hz. And Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 91.6% screen to body ratio, the OnePlus 12 91.3% screen to body ratio, and the both device comes with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 screen protection. The OnePlus 12 comes with 4500 nits peak of brightness. The Samsung S24 Plus comes with 2600 nits peak of brightness. And the camera setup: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 10 megapixel telephoto, and it's record 8K 30 FPS video. The OnePlus 12 also comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide, and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto with Hasselblad color calibration, and it's record 8K 30 FPS video. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 12 megapixel selfie camera, and it's record 4K 60 FPS video with front camera. And the OnePlus 12 comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera, and it's record 4K 60 FPS video with front camera. The platform of these devices: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4, and the same OnePlus 12 comes with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4, and both devices come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset and the same GPU and Reno 750 in both devices, and it's come with Android 14. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra 4 Plus come with One UI 6.1, and the OnePlus 12 come with Oxygen OS 14. The memory setup: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus come with 12GB RAM, and the OnePlus 12 come with 12GB, 16GB, and 24GB of RAM. The internal storage of these devices: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus come with 256GB and 512GB, and the OnePlus 12 come with 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobiles. And the battery backup: the OnePlus 12 comes with 5400 mAh battery, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 4900 mAh battery. The OnePlus 12 comes with 100 watt fast charging. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 45 watt fast charging, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus supported 15 watt wireless charging. The OnePlus 12 supports 50 watt wireless charging, and the both mobile come with 5G network support. The common design feature is same, but the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with IP68 rating, and the OnePlus 12 comes with IP65 rating. The result of these devices: the OnePlus 12 comes score 26 points, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus score 20 points.